A sharp fillet knife is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys cooking, especially when it comes to preparing fish or other delicate cuts of meat. However, over time, even the best fillet knives can lose their sharpness, leading to frustrating and inefficient cutting experiences. That's where a fillet knife sharpener comes in handy. A fillet knife sharpener is a specialized tool designed to restore the sharpness of fillet knives, ensuring precise and effortless cuts. It is a must-have accessory for professional chefs, avid anglers, and home cooks alike who want to maintain the performance and longevity of their fillet knives. In this article, we will explore the world of fillet knife sharpeners, discussing their importance, key features to consider, and some of the best options available on the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, finding the right fillet knife sharpener can greatly enhance your culinary experience and make your knife maintenance a breeze. 3. Wearing commercial WKS 800. In this post, the author discusses the importance of commercial sharpening solutions and provides insights on what to consider before purchasing one. They highlight the drawbacks of managing dull knives and emphasize the benefits of using sharp blades for food preparation. The author also addresses the financial aspect, emphasizing that commercial knife sharpeners can be a significant investment ranging from $300 to over $1,000, and encourages readers to determine their budget before making a decision. The post emphasizes the importance of understanding the types of knives that will be sharpened, as different sharpeners may have specific capabilities or limitations. The author suggests considering alternatives such as professional sharpening services, traditional stone sharpening methods, or electric knife sharpeners, and encourages readers to explore these options before investing in a commercial sharpener. 2. Chef's Choice Trésor 1515. The Chef's Choice Trésor 15 is hailed as the best tool for keeping kitchen knives razor sharp. In a comparison against 10 other competitors, the Trésor 15 outperformed them all. It quickly and effectively sharpened dulled and chipped blades, including high-quality Japanese knives. The built-in guides and rotating stones made the sharpening process intuitive and easy, requiring minimal skill from users. While the author still uses waterstones for their main knife, they rely on the Trésor 15 for all their other knives, including inexpensive ones. The Trésor 15 is durable and has been a wirecutter pick since 2016, with test units enduring years of use without issues. It is capable of producing sharp blades on various knife types, except for serrated knives. The Trésor 15 rarely goes on sale, and its street price is around $170. Proper maintenance includes emptying the metal shavings tray and using a manual honing rod between sharpenings. Chef's Choice expects their sharpeners to last 6 to 8 years in a typical home. 1. Presto 08800 Ever Sharp. The Presto 08800 Eversharp is an affordable and popular electric knife sharpener available on Amazon. It offers good performance and build quality for its price. The sharpener quickly creates a sharp edge and can sharpen multiple knives in succession. However, it has a tendency to grind away too much knife material. The edge quality produced by the Presto Eversharp is decent, considering its affordability. The bevel texture may be coarse and the edge not completely straight, but it has a good bevel height and width. However, it removes a significant amount of material from the knife, so it may not be suitable for expensive knives or knives with full bolsters. In terms of design, the Presto Eversharp has a simple and durable body. It can accommodate different types and sizes of knives, although small knives may be challenging to sharpen without pushing the tip away from the wheels. It does not offer adjustable edge angles. The Eversharp offers good performance and build quality, quickly creating a sharp and durable edge. It can handle multiple knives in succession, making it efficient for fillet knife sharpening. While it may grind away some knife material, it still produces a decent edge quality for an affordable sharpener. In terms of design, the Eversharp has a simple and durable body, accommodating different sizes of knives. However, it may be challenging to sharpen small fillet knives without pushing the tip away from the wheels. The sharpener's ease of use, simple setup, and straightforward maintenance make it a convenient choice. However, it lacks dust prevention features, so wearing protective gear like a mask and glasses is advisable during sharpening. Safety concerns include potential noise and heat levels, but the sharpener is UL listed for safety.